Namaste everyone, you're watching Smarty Tech Fizz and I am Anjali with a new video related to the MongoDB tool. So today we will see about the MongoDB Compass. That is a tool which we use for connection for the MongoDB. However, most of the time I only use the Robo 3T or Studio 3T, but some of my viewers are using this, so I thought that I should make a video on it. So today we will see only about the MongoDB Compass. In this part we will see that how we can install the MongoDB Compass in a Linux system. If you have a Windows or Mac OS, I will explain the steps, but you can do that too by watching this video. And the next step we will see different functions of it, that how to connect to a MongoDB and how we can connect to a MongoDB when it having a authentication enabled on it. So stay tuned with me and let's get started. So this is a website from where we can install the MongoDB Compass. I will mention this link in the description box or in a comment. You can check it out, and when you will use this link, you will come to this page. Here we have an option for the Windows, Mac OS and the Linux. If you have a Windows, go to this tab. If you have a Mac OS, you can go to this tab, and if you have a Linux, just like I have it, you can use this tab. Okay, so I have a Linux system, so I will use this tab, and in the Linux system I want to install using the Debian package. So if you want to install using this, you can even choose this one, but just take care that you have a yum installer in your system and you must have a package manager for that. But I am using this Debian one. For the Debian one, you should have the requirement of 64-bit of version of Ubuntu 14.04 or later. If your system is not compatible with this, you will not be able to install the MongoDB Compass. Okay, and next thing, you must have a MongoDB of 3.6 or later. I have a 4.0, that means I am able to install it. Now using this, after this you have to install it using the download Compass. In the download Compass, you also need to select the tab on which you want to install Mac, Windows or Linux. So I have a Linux, so I'm using this. In the Linux system, you just need to click on it. After clicking on this, it will take you to the downloading page. In the downloading page, you just need to provide the details here which you want to download and just click on download. You can see it is downloading here. After downloading, you have to install it. How you can install it? You just need to double click on the Debian package icon to start the installation. So when after, you can see it has been installed, and after installation you just need to double click on it and you just click the install command. And after the installation, you just need to paste this command. So let's see how we can do that. See, this is a tool only on which we are using for connecting the MongoDB. So if you are using the Robot 3T or Studio 3T, that is fine, because I am also using that one only. So you can even connect to, but this is a new tool, so the people are going towards it. So you can see after double click on it, this installer came across us, and we just need to click on the install. And you can see that it has been started installing. You can see that it has been installed, and the button install has been changed into the remove one. That means the MongoDB has been installed in our system. Now what you need to do is just you have to launch the Compass from the application folder and then start using the MongoDB Compass. Okay, so let's see how we can do that. And also search using this and just type the MongoDB Compass. You can see that in the application the MongoDB Compass is present. That means you have installed the MongoDB Compass successfully, and after clicking on it, it just start running. It should be start now. So you just need to come to your terminal and you have to just copy and paste this command. After pasting this command, just run this, and after running this, you can see the MongoDB Compass has been installed and it is loading its plugins. Let's wait for a moment and it should be start now. So you can see it has been installed successfully and it is working fine as per the steps we have done. Next step which we have to do is just go next and get started and start using Compass. You can see that the enhanced user experience what they have done, you can see here, and use the start using Compass. So this is how you can install the MongoDB Compass in your Linux system. And for the connecting, that how we can connecting it and what are the different ways to connect to the MongoDB, we will see in the next videos, in the next few parts. So stay tuned with me and take care. Bye bye.